Kicking around in my hometown. Seems they've gone and closed the whole place down. There's a factory where my daddy earned a wage. There's nothing left but broken window panes and dreams. I didn't think it would faze me. I haven't been here in quite a while. Familiar faces have faded with time. All the street lights have all burned out. It's like this place is gone out of style. Back in my hometown, nothing remained the same. Back in my hometown, oh, I'd give anything to bring it back again. Bring it back again. Surrounded by those who walk this place, those who came before and those who never went away. I couldn't wait to leave this place. It's funny how we regret the words that we used to say. Back in my hometown, nothing remained the same. Back in my hometown, oh, I'd give anything to bring it back again. Thought I'd never feel this way, but there's nothing left to say. No, there's nothing left to say. As I drove away, away. Kicking around in my hometown. Seems they've gone and closed the whole place down. Back in my hometown, nothing remained the same. Back in my hometown, oh, I'd give anything, yeah, yeah. Back in my hometown, nothing remained the same.